Hello, all my Tomomaniacs out there. Welcome back to another episode of Down Food Reviews. What's up? We're back at Sheetz. This is review number 2 for February. As a way of making up for missing January, I am doing 3 food reviews this month. This is number 2, and number 3 will come out next week. And unfortunately, I think I decided what the third one is going to be. I'm not going to spoil it for you. It's going to be disgusting. It's going to be gross. It's something that I found out sort of recently, was being offered, and thought it was the stupidest thing in the world. And yet, I'm going to go eat it. Today, went to Sheetz. There's someone getting into the car next to me, and here I am talking to myself. It's very embarrassing, yet again. Just immense waves of shame going across me. I don't want to talk. Why am I doing this in the parking lot? Oh, please leave. Ma'am, please leave. I'm just not going to look over to my right. I got a chicken sandwich. I don't want to... God damn it. I got a chicken sandwich because I didn't want to get anything. They didn't really have anything super gross. It just was a regular chicken sandwich. She's still there. She's on her phone. God damn it, back up and leave. Please back up and leave. I also wanted to get some really fucked up drinks. So I got the G Fuel Clickbait energy drink. Can't imagine what this fucking tastes like, right? Clickbait. The last 2 I had from Sheetz were the Wumpa Fruit from Crash Bandicoot. Not great, not terrible. And then the Tetris Blast, which tasted like cold medicine. Very gross. Then I also got another really fucked up drink. This Pepsi Peeps. So I'm not quite sure how that's going to taste. Bad, probably. Maybe just too sweet. Maybe it'll be fine. It's bubbling up. It's just sweet. It's just very, very sweet. It just tastes, I don't know how else to describe it. Like you dissolved marshmallows into Pepsi, which is what I assume would happen to a marshmallow if you put it in Pepsi. And you just condensed it. 260 calories, 69 grams of sugar. Interesting. 69 carbohydrates, 55 grams of sodium. I will not be drinking all of this. I was looking for a 0, and they didn't have it. So I thought, let me try this. And that's a mistake. It's not bad. I think I don't want to take another sip, though, if that makes sense. It's just way too sweet. It's an assault on the mouth. And let's try this fucking shit. Clickbait. Oh, it's good. As far as G Fuel goes, it's pretty good, actually. It's like a berry flavor. Some sort of berry. Then I got a spicy chicken sandwich. This was 6 something. I was like, I don't know what I want to eat. I didn't want to drive anywhere out of my way. And I just hate, God damn, I hate all this stuff. It's just falling. Tastes like a very substandard chicken sandwich. I put lettuce and tomato, red onion, pepper jack cheese, and then like buffalo sauce. I'm not a Sheetz hater, right? I fucking seem to come here enough, right? But the food isn't good. But I don't think it needs to be good because what it serves a purpose is a different place to eat on a road trip, or they're open super late. My first university in Pennsylvania, the only thing open past like 11 p.m. was the Sheetz. So if you were out drinking and you wanted food, you had to go to Sheetz, which sucked because that's the only place you go. Everybody's there. 40-minute waits for any sort of food. So that really sucked ass, but it was nice that there was something open. Let's see, the Peeps. I don't want to do it, but I'll take another sip. Let's give this a rating. It's so strong. It's so strong. I don't like it. 2 out of 5. 2 out of 5. The G Fuel Clickbait. It's not bad. 3 out of 5. The sandwich, 2.5 out of 5. And I guess that's it for the second food review. I hate this. I hate all of it.